Hi everyone, my name is Ashley Victoria. Right now we have Boukman Eksperyans.
Lolo.
Manze.
And in Passaic, New Jersey. How do you feel you guys been nominated tonight?
I'm glad to be here because it's a way that you can make promotion for the Haitian artists. And it's a good way. It's a opportunity for everybody also to more people to know us and the diaspora. It's important. That's why we're here. We're here to also encourage those people who organize that beautiful soirée. Yeah, it's really nice, really nice. We're glad to be here with the other artists. Really, that's why I have to tell me and Manze, we're really glad to be part of that event.
Okay. How do you, throughout your career, what's brought you guys the most pleasure?
Excuse me?
Throughout your career, what's brought you the most pleasure?
Oh, my career is so long. It's 40 years.
Right.
No, there's so much thing on it. I don't know where to go. We travel all over the world. We play at many festivals all over the world. And what's important that we give the message of Haiti also, of love, of truth, of justice, message of Haiti, what Haiti is, what is really Haiti, the culture, our beautiful culture. And we're there to promote that culture. And since 40 years, that's what we're doing all over the world. We present Haiti all over the world. And that's why we continue to do after 40 years.
Okay. What message do you have for the youth involved in music right now?
I have to tell them that they don't have to be discouraged. They have to, they heard about Haiti, what's going on now, but they know that those things happening now, one time they have to be finished, and that time I think is arrived. We need that youth. This is them who's going to make that change. In Haiti and the diaspora, we need that. We need them also to be proud of their culture. They have to be proud of their culture. It's important. And also, what we can say, Manze?
Ma petit jeunes en général, petits haïtiens et jeunes haïtiens qui en Haïti, c'est pour nous qu'à fiers de tête, non, fiers de ça nous y est, moun nous y est, parce que nous sommes belle moun nous y est. Et nous avons un pile potentialité, nous avons un pile talent que nous avons montré. C'est nous-mêmes qui pour montrer le monde entier beauté Haïti. Parce que toujours montrer côté qui l'aide en Haïti, mais nous-mêmes c'est nous qui la beauté. C'est nous beauté Haïti. Donc et continuer de travailler à faire là, c'est un plus bel travail qu'on a fait. C'est promotion pour Haïti n'a fait là. Et puis nous remercions nous parce que nous gagnons avec bonne intention ça que nous connaissons que nous attachés à Haïti toujours. Merci.
That's why that event is so important for us to come. We came the day before yesterday to just come for that, and it was so important for me and Manze to be there and to make also that promotion for Haiti and also to encourage the people who make that event also.
Thank you so much, guys, for speaking.
Merci.
I look forward to seeing you guys on the stage.
Thank you.
Aïe Bobo.
What's up? Ça c'est Bello Haïti ou écoutez mieux là dans Blackkrytikshow. C'est la mienne, c'est là où doyer. Bello big de ça.
Ou besoin nouvelle, toute dernière nouvelle sur musique haïtienne, ou besoin qu'on qui jazz rap mené, qui jazz qui pas mené, qui chante avec bon, qui chante avec pas bon. Bah il y a un pile qui pas bon. OK. Blackkrytik lié chéri, pas l'autre. Pas l'autre. Blackkrytik lié.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell right there so every time we upload a video you'll get notifications. Make sure you like this video and share it to all these social media platforms. Thanks again for watching.